This is a heavy rig. This is 73,000 pounds. And of course, it's a CDL truck. You got to have a CDL license to drive it. This is a slide in. This slide base moves in and out. It gives you complete access over the hole. Looking straight up, the power head kicks out. And you can ride up to the winches. You can lower a pipe right in the hole. I can lift 42 feet right off the ground with this derrick. Swing it in the hole and put it down the hole. I did 42. Only did it once, but I did that. Various size wrenches. Various size wrenches to hold stuff. Start button. The gauges all do something. I'll tell you what they do when you get it. All right. Bye-bye.